In this video, I'm going to show you how to add custom size in custom slide size in PowerPoint. So let's say I want to add for TikTok some custom slide size, custom resolution. So I'm gonna go with this resolution here. All right, this is the resolution we're gonna use. And here, if you click on slideshow and then you actually go here in design, okay, and now we click here, slide size, custom slide size, and now here I'm gonna type okay, and now I have this resolution. And of course, now if you save this slide, you're gonna have this resolution. And now before I save this, actually let me add some picture here. Now I go format, picture, clipboard, and it's a bit too blurry. Add a bit of sharpness and delete this one here. I have this image here. Now I'm gonna save this. Now here, if you click on save as, you have here the option to select the file. I'm gonna go with this one here and click on browse to save this picture. And I'm gonna save this on desktop.